Hi everybody. So Mental Health Monday. Today we are going to talk about how what you eat affects your brain, especially because mental illness is located in the brain, otherwise also known in your body. Sometimes too is where you feel it. But your brain is made up of many chemical and hormonal channels, and these channels run smoothly when you feed them correctly. And you feed these channels through fats that cross the blood-brain barrier, in as simple terms as I could put it without putting in all of the hormones and all of the letters and all of the very long names for everything. Pretty much is how it works. We also want to make sure that your vessels and your nerves in your brain are running sufficiently. So we need to be eating our healthier fats versus our unhealthier ones. That way we don't build up plaque and gunk all in our system. The nice thing about our brains is that they do have a self-cleaning system when we sleep, as long as we are getting enough sleep, so that 8+ hours a night. So what it does is it uses fluid, spinal fluid, lymphatic drainage, to kind of wash through everything while you're sleeping, and then it will drain it out overnight. So that's kind of why we wake up dehydrated. It's why our pee is so yellow in the morning. It's because it's releasing all of those toxins, all that gunk, all that buildup from our brain and our lymphatic system. And that's kind of how that works. So that's why it's also really important to get sufficient amount of sleep, because if you don't, your brain can't process through that system correctly and get all that gunk kind of out. Our bodies are still working hard while we sleep. You know, our digestion is going on, all of those autonomic nervous system things are going on while we are sleeping. So body's still working hard. We still got to make sure that we are fueling it the correct way to be able for it to work as hard as it needs to while we are unconscious. So we can help keep our brain health in good condition by eating our gut and brain health foods. So that's going to be everything pretty much that I've said in the prior videos about gut and brain health foods for our nutrition stuff on Wednesdays. There will be another one this week to kind of finish out that cycle. Also a reminder that we need to have omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Those are going to be our good fats that we love to have. They have EPA and DHA in them. Again, those are going to help run our system smoothly. Great sources of that are going to include salmon, wild caught, specifically walnuts, avocados, and olive oil. So remember that all of those things aren't created equally. We want to get organic when we can. We want to get local when we can to get the best out of kind of everything. So that is how what you eat can affect your brain.